in Philippines and I had almost 40 hours flight. As I arrived, everybody was so happy that I made it finally, because it's amazing, it's beautiful, it's paradise. First of all, for me it's very important to have some relationship with the photographer. Like Rafael Mazzucca, it's easy, it's about yourself, it's like any location we want to, it's a great light, it's just fun. Favorite pictures so far are the pictures that we did with the sunset. It's so beautiful. Sky turning to like yellow and pink and red, and it stays for so long, the sun doesn't go down very fast. The colors for these swimsuits, it's my favorite colors, because it has a lot of green and like light blue, light green, and my favorite color is green. It's the color of my eyes. Well, definitely it was worth it to travel here, because it's another kind of style of life, like it's blue water, it's white sand, it's warm people, it's amazing food, it's quiet. I wish I just can live here forever.